My name is Violet Murray, and I'm an 8th grade senior at CS 111, and we're doing a multicultural parade today, and I will be dancing on my part.
Hola, yo soy Chaylin Pérez y yo estoy en la escuela de CS 111 en octavo y hoy vamos a hacer una parada multi de géneros y cosas así y yo voy a estar bailando con mis amigos y amigas.
And I'm from 111 and I just performed and I think I did really good and really great. I hope I didn't mess up because I was really focused.
Hi, my name is Bridget Turner and I am working with Q111 through LEAP, and we just had our amazing multicultural day. We had dancing and music, and now we gave a little bit of treats. It's hot out here. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to work with 1st through 5th graders. Actually, it was 1st through 8th graders. So see me next year. Jamaican.